So today we are going to see approximation or simplification. So this will be, at least you will have 5 sums in this, or a maximum of 15 sums. Okay, so it will contain, you have to follow the Bodmer's rule. Okay, so if you go with the eliminating technique, it will be easy, it will be helpful. Okay, so here approximation is how to you have to go with approximation calculation alone, that's enough. Okay, so here also have to have a practice of the tables till 25 and square up to 50 and cubes up to 20. Okay, so you should have the practice of all these things, then only the thing will be easy to simplify, or approximation, you can find approximation value. Okay, so now let's go with the problem. So just I have given 5 problems in this. So these are the easiest problems. Okay, so complication problems or difficult problems or more in the simplification and approximation, so let us discuss in the later videos. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the easiest 5 problems. Okay, so here you will use percentage. Okay, percentage using Bodmer's theorem rules. So you will have a combination of all things, addition, subtractions alone. Okay, so these are the simplest and the easiest sums. Okay, so here 3.2% of 500 into 2.4% of some number, that is equal to 280. So the sum number you have to find out, the question mark one you have to find out. Okay, so here please cut off the zeros. Okay, so divided by percentages divided by 100, right? So you have 2 zeros in that, and of 500 also you have 2 zeros, so please cut it off. Okay, so that it will be easy to calculate. Okay, so you go with the more simplest way in the rough sheet itself, then only, so if you have a practice you can go with the simplest way of solving a problem. Okay, so have a practice, that is the main thing. Please do problems. Okay, so I will also give till part, so this is part 1, so till part 5 I will give you for approximation and simplification. Please have a practice of the questions. Okay, I will also give a video of all the questions, so you can work it out and you can see. Okay, so this is one of the simplest way. So the answer is 750. Okay, so you have to go with the multiplication and division, so that's it, you will get the answer. So here it is minus 255, you have to use the Bodmer's rule. Okay, so here you have to solve the bracket first. Okay, so if you are solving the bracket, you will get 63252. Okay, that is the answer. Okay, 63,252, that is. Okay, so here can you see it is in a decimal point, so to make it as simple, divide by 100, take it out the decimal and cross multiply the 100 with the opposite one. Okay, so you can get, so here you can use the divisibility rule, because in 3 table how the 2 will come, because the last ending digit of the divisibility thing is 2, right? So that is 3 4s are 12, ends with 2, so you have to use that divisibility rule. Okay, so then we come to the third sum. So it is a square root, so as I said, you have to have a practice of square root. Okay, so here you know 49 is a 7 square, right? So it is a 70 square. Okay, so likewise 5 4 7 6, so you know the square number ends with, right? So if you are taking 2 means it ends with 4, 3 means ends with 9, 4 means ends with 6. Similarly the thing below that, so 5 ends with 5, 6 ends with 6, so 4 and 6 the square ends with the 6 value, so you have to take either 4 or 6. So here you will have the combination of things, so go with all the 4 square numbers ending with 4 square numbers and also the 6 square numbers, so you can get it. Okay, so next is you have to, here you will have to have all the square value. Okay, so because it's the most important thing, the here is square. Okay, 14 square is 196 into 3, because you go with the priority of Bodmer's, so it is a square. Okay, then the division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, so go with it. Okay, so here can you see the last 0.441 is equal to 400? Okay, so just take it out to this side, and it is a question mark square, so it is a square root. Okay, you have to find the square root of 841. Okay, so it is 29, so the answer is 29. Okay, so next sum is, it's a very easy sum, so just add the two things and subtract it with the other one. Okay, so here you can do it mentally. 1 7 is 8, so minus 8 is 0. Okay, 4 1 is 5, so minus 1 is 4. Okay, so 1 and 4 is 5 again, so minus 1 is again 4, decimal point, go over the back side. Okay, so 3 1 is 4, so minus 7, so it's 14 minus 7. Okay, it's 7 again. Okay, so 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, yeah, it's 4, right? So you have to go with it like it. Okay, 4 minus 2 is, obviously you have to know. Okay, so it is the simplification form, so you have taken a subtraction, that is a borrow, so it becomes 3, right? 3 minus 2 is, it's 1 again. Okay, so you have to keep everything in mind. So if you are going with the practice of each and every sums you are working out, means it will be practiced. Okay, so next you have to go with the tips. This is tip for tips for simplification and approximation. Okay, so you have to go quickly to solve the simplification sums quickly. So if you are seeing it, you have to work it out. So if you are seeing it difficult, please skip it out. Okay, so if you don't know the sums, or if you are thinking that it will take more time, more than 30 seconds, just skip it out. Okay, so because for 15 sums, the maximum of 15 sums they will give you. So if you are having 15 sums, means you have to take just 6 minutes all over. Okay, so if you are not coping up with that, you can't solve other problems. So that is what I am saying. Okay, so don't go with a longer time for a simplification sums. Okay, just they take 30 seconds for each and every sum. That's it. Okay, so thank you so much for seeing this video. So kindly like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos, and have a great day. Bye.